Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Concept 1. Iodoform test. I2NaOH. A positive iodoform test is given by compounds containing the CH3CO group, methyl ketones, or CH3CH, or group, secondary alcohols with methyl adjacent to or acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, or ethanol. The key structural requirement is a methyl group directly attached to a carbonyl, CH3C is equal to O, or to HO group. Concept 2. Extraction by saturated NaHSO3. Saturated sodium bisulfite solution forms addition compounds, bisulfite adducts, with aldehydes, methyl ketones, and cyclic ketones with fewer than 8 carbons. It does not react well with ketones where both groups on the carbonyl are large, i.e., dialkyl ketones where neither alkyl is methyl. This test is used to distinguish reactive carbonyl compounds from unreactive ones. Now evaluate each option. A. CH3, CH2, 4-CHO. This is hexanol, an aldehyde. It would give a positive NaHSO3 test. Aldehydes react. However, for iodoform test, the aldehyde must be CH3CHO specifically or have CH3CO. Hexanol does not have a CH3CO group. It has a CHO at the end of a long chain with no adjacent methyl to carbonyl in the CH3CO sense. So hexanol fails the iodoform test. Eliminated. B. CH3, CH2, 3-COH3. This is 2-hexanone, methyl N-butyl ketone. It has the CH3CO group, so it gives a positive iodoform test. It is a methyl ketone, so it also reacts with saturated NaHSO3 to form a bisulfite adduct, meaning it can be extracted from benzene by NaHSO3. Both conditions are satisfied. C. CH3CH to COH to CH3. This is 3-pentanone, diethyl ketone. It does not have a CH3CO group. Both sides of the carbonyl are ethyl groups, so it fails the iodoform test. Also, diethyl ketone is a symmetric dialkyl ketone and does not react well with NaHSO3, borderline, but primarily it fails iodoform. Eliminated. D. CH3, CH2, 4CH2O. This is 1-hexanol, a primary alcohol. Primary alcohols do not give a positive iodoform test. Only CH3CH or secondary alcohols or CH3CH2O give it. Also, primary alcohols are not extracted by NaHSO3. Eliminated. Only option B. CH3, CH2, 3-COH3 satisfies both conditions, positive iodoform test, methyl ketone, CH3CO group present, and extraction by saturated NaHSO3, methyl ketones form bisulfite adducts. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.